guys, today on DK Garage I am going to be working on the FG Falcon for the 300 kilowatt build. What I'm doing today is attempting to install a fuel pressure regulator to my Falcon. So basically that just means that I gotta put it on the end of this fuel rail, find somewhere to mount it in here, and yeah, that's about it. I might do a fuel pump after, we'll see. Now, to be completely honest here, I don't really know what I'm doing, so you can come along with me for the ride when I'm winging it. We got a parts box with some AN fittings and some braided lines, so we're going to throw it together and see if it works, I guess. So one of the first things to do when you're doing fuel stuff is to remove the fuel pump fuse to try and let the fuel run out of the system so you don't have to work with it dripping everywhere, so we'll see how that goes, hey? Alrighty, at the moment I have got the actual old regulator off, but on these Falcons it's a bit weird and the bottom half of the section is still attached to the fuel rail on these things. They're not just like a normal adapter like most of your other cars. So what I'm currently going to do is take off the actual fuel rail and plug the injectors just to make it easy to work on, because it's all the way back there they've got to get to. So I'm going to get to that now. Well shit guys, I'm sorry, I sort of forgot to film. It's not done yet, but it's almost there. There's my FPR, she's all mounted. I'll probably paint the bracket black at some point in time. We got a vac line. This is the in. It's not quite connected yet, it's almost there. This is, I'll see if I can get a line. This is the line for the in, it's just got to go there. This is the out, which is already all connected. Goes back to the adapter back there, and that goes down back to the fuel tank. So we're getting there. Basically just the one more hose to run. I did put the gauge on, but I accidentally snapped it, so I'm going to need to go out and grab one tomorrow, I reckon. But other than that, we are doing pretty good at the moment. Alrighty, this bad boy is actually all connected up now. I obviously don't have the gauge because it broke, so I got to pick on it tomorrow. But they'll run. Now, my time's going to consist of putting everything back together. Great fun. Ignition on. Let's have a look. I don't seem to have any fuel pressure. Seems odd, doesn't it? What's going on there? Alrighty, seems like we have fuel pressure now. That is 400 kPa, which is like 58 to 60 psi, which is what this should be running stock. So I'm pretty happy with that. It doesn't seem to be having any leaks. I've just had to check around. Torch is obviously going flat because she's flashing. But we'll give her a little boot and make sure it's revving right, I guess. Finished product, we got no leaks, pretty happy with that. I guess time to say goodbye. So that seemed like a pretty successful install on the 300 kilowatt G6E, or what it should be eventually, hopefully. I'll see you next time on DK Garage.